What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the best song transitions on Spotify. Um, this is how it would sound if you did it right. As you can see, the transition is really well. You can probably get that a little better, but I don't want to spend too much time on it. But I'll be showing you how to do it on desktop and mobile. And let's get right into the video. Okay, on desktop, just hit your profile picture on the top, go to settings, scroll down to where it says playback. Make sure these settings are on. And basically, different songs need different crossfade times. If you want to make a playlist with song transitions on Spotify, you can only do certain ones because if um some songs need 6 seconds or some need 8 or 4, it won't work out for all the songs. So you'd have to make playlists for song transitions for just 6 seconds, 4 seconds. I might do that if y'all really want it, but I don't I don't want to waste too much time on that if y'all don't want it. But that's basically how you do it on desktop. Also, this is kind of new for me. I want to start uploading more long form videos on this channel, but I really don't know what to upload. Please comment down below what I should do. I'd really appreciate it because I really want to start uploading more. But, alright, I'll show you how to do it on mobile. That's just another example you can do on Spotify with the crossfade. So first open the app, then top left hit your profile, then hit settings, then go to playback, and then make sure all these settings are enabled, and that's where you can change the crossfade. And that's basically it. You can copy all these settings if you want, but just let me know what videos y'all want me to make next, and hope y'all enjoy. Please like and subscribe.